Brasilia, November 600 X-ray Lima. Brasilia, November 600 X-ray Lima.
Oh.
Autopilot.
What the hell is that? Alright, fly the airplane, dude. Fly the airplane.
Autopilot. Autopilot.
We don't have explosive decompression.
Autopilot. 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 Autopilot.
You want me to fly it, dude?
Autopilot.
You want me to fly it?
What, we got fucking hit?
I don't know, dude. Let me fly it.
You got it?
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna declare an emergency.
What was it, 21.5?
Yeah, 21.5. Whatever the fuck that was. We have to get down.
Go. Did we? What the fuck did he come from?
Alright, we're going down. We're declaring an emergency. Sit down.
And, Brasilia, November 600 X-ray Lima.